Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install Amazon Shopping app, how to download and install Amazon Shopping app on your phone. Amazon is a massive online store where you can buy almost everything you can think of, from books, electronics to groceries and furniture, all in one place. It is known for being incredibly fast and convenient, especially if you sign up for Amazon Prime, which gives you free 2-day shipping on millions of items, along with access to movies, music, and more. Unlike Temu, Amazon carries both cheap everyday products and well-known brand names, so the quality is usually more reliable, but the prices are generally higher too. To install the app, depending on the phone you want to use or you are using, go to Play Store, select Play Store, then search apps. Select apps and search Amazon, Amazon. Select on it Amazon Shopping, Amazon Mobile LLC, 4.5 star, 4 million reviews, 1 billion plus downloads. Select install. So the app is installing. Once the app is installed, it will show you installed and open. Then you select open to open the app. So the app is installed. Select open. So it's opening the app. So once the app opened, you need to sign into your account. This is Amazon app. So you go to categories. They have various categories: shop by category, prime, gifting, deals, savings, spotlights, store, groceries and drinks, health and personal care, pets, fashion. So these are categories. So any particular category you are looking for, you need to select on the particular categories, or you search for the item on top. You can also use voice or use camera to capture the image. Let's say if we want to go to electronics, you select devices and electronics, then it will show you subcategories they got. Let's say computer and accessories, select on it. Then it will show you computer accessories they got, printers and etc. If there's any particular item you want to buy, select on the particular item. Also, it will show you the price. Select on the item. This is the item, this is the printer. It will show you the quantity sold. Then you scroll up, select the quantity, add to the basket, and also you can also buy it now. Once you select add to basket, the item will be added to basket. Then you select no thank you. We show you added to basket. So you can continue doing your shopping. If you want to buy or search for any item, you can also search for any item you like. Let's say if you want to search for TV, then you search for TV. Then it will show you TVs that got listed on the website. So you have home, basket. You can also go to various categories. Your shortcut. So you have Amazon Prime. This is if you want to sign for Prime so that you can receive your goods very fast within 2 days. Also have gifting, deals and savings. So they have everyday essentials, today's deals, subscribe and save, Amazon resell, Amazon outlet, install promo wallet. Let's say if you want to go to everyday essentials, select on everyday essentials. Then it will show you all the everyday essentials they got listed on their website. Add the item to basket, then you pay. We show you the basket. If you select on the basket, it show you the item, show you the total price of the item, And also, we tell you if your order qualifies for free shipping, your order qualifies for free shipping. Item added. If you want to remove the item or increase the number, you select plus to increase the number quantity. It will update. If you want to remove it, then select or reduce the quantity. Select minus to reduce the quantity. If you want to delete the item or save it for later, you select save for later. If you want to delete it, then select delete. The item is deleted and one item remains in the basket. This is the item that left. If you want to update or remove it or share it with somebody, you can also share this to any person you want to share it. You can share it via email or WhatsApp. To remove this item, you select delete or select minus to reduce the quantity. So the item is reduced. So if you select these three dots, we show you these are everyday essentials. Then today's deal, if you select today's deals, we show you deals they got for that particular day. So you just need to scroll down to select any particular items. It will show you if they got deals related to item you have saved. So if you save any item, we show you deals related to that particular item. Personal information, if you select on it, if you buy product, then you go to this your image here for you to select the item or any information you want. So if you go back to home page, then you scroll down to select any particular item you want. So this is how to install and download Amazon app on your phone. If you want to remove or uninstall the app, if you go to home page, then you need to select on the app, pinch on it, then it give you option for you to select remove, uninstall, or widgets. Select uninstall. Amazon Shopping, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So if you keep an eye, the app will be uninstalled from the phone. Amazon uninstalled. So the app is uninstalled from the phone. So this is how to install Amazon Shopping app. Please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.